So today I'm going to be making a green juice with my Omega juicer. It is a slow juicer. This is what it looks like. It's pretty old, but it works really good. And with the slow juicers, it doesn't kill all the live enzymes. That's what you want to find when you buy a juicer, is you want to find one that is slow. So what I have here is organic cucumber, celery, green apple, lemon, and ginger. Everything is clean and rinsed with my purified water. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put it into my juicer. Okay, so here it is, final result. This is how much juice I got from all of that. Just one mason jar. But I'm telling you guys, it is so amazing and it tastes so good. You feel so much better when you start juicing. I'll leave the recipe in the description, but give it a try. Go out and get a juicer if you really are serious about improving your health. This is so amazing. It'll make you feel so alive. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.